Hi, my name is Dr. Ian Schuman. I have a general reconstructive and aesthetic dental practice full-time here in Pasadena, Maryland. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the process of relining your denture with SOFRELINER TOUGH much easier and simpler. Here's a tip and trick for trimming and polishing. After an intraoral setting time of 5 minutes, we want to remove the denture from the mouth and carefully trim the excess material with a sharp scalpel. Following this, we use 2 burrs that are included in the SOFRELINER TOUGH medium kit. The white burr is called the shape adjustment point, and it's used to smooth the surface and adjust the shape. One of the tips and tricks I like to use with the white shape adjustment point is to apply gentle pressure and just allow the material to flake off under the rotating burr. A little excess here we'll get rid of. There we go. The finishing point in brown is fantastic for polishing the case and giving you a nice smooth luster. After an intraoral setting time of 5 minutes, we remove the denture from the mouth. We'll use the coarse point, that's the black burr, to smooth the surface and adjust the shape. It's important to make sure you use the correct finishing tools because the SOFRELINER TOUGH medium has different burrs than the SOFRELINER TOUGH soft kit. Once again, one of the tips and tricks I like to use for removing the excess in the lower denture is by taking the black burr, the coarse point burr, and gently running it against the hard denture base where the SOFRELINE is not placed. Finally, we'll use the finishing wheel that's in brown to complete and finish the denture. By following the protocols recommended by Tokiyama Dental, you will wind up with a smooth, clean, highly polished, and well-finished denture surface. Those are my tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully in the future, you'll be a Tokiyama SOFRELINER user as well.